All right, give me 3 forward strokes. Oh yeah, give me 2 back strokes. All right, we're ready to go run grumpies. Woohoo!
Many of you know I lost virtually everything in the floods of Hurricane Helene here in western North Carolina, down here in the Green River Cove behind me. And you guys can do me a real solid and come rafting and help me raise some much needed funds for my recovery. And new for 2025, when you come raft with me on the Ocoee River with Ocoee Water Sports, you can get a 10% discount when you reserve your trip with me by using the promo code FASTFredRequest. That's right, exclusively at Ocoee Water Sports. So bring it on, let's have a great time.
Okay, get ready, I'm gonna call some strokes to make a cool photo. Give me 2, smile, make a crazy grin. Yeah, baby. Give me 2 more. And relax, that's what we're in, baby. It's actually a great line, I think. Two more, team. These are fun. Here's the double drop. Don't fall out. Oh no, give me 2 strokes. Hopefully I don't hit the bad rock here. Oh, that was perfect actually. Relax, get down low, get down really low. Don't throw nobody out if you can help it, Fred. Okay, up. Oh, don't fall out, Fred. Don't fall out, Fred. Man, that was cold. I think I got me wetter than you guys. Oh yeah, we're on target this time, baby. Oh, get ready to get wetter. One more, yeah, baby. Nice. That's the first ledge. Here comes the second ledge of flipper. I won't hit sideways. I won't get you that wet today. Oh, don't go over there, Fred. Yeah, that's more like it. Right here, this is good. Maybe. That's my normal line. I ain't doing it on purpose, but it pivoted just like it usually does. All right, get ready, team. We gotta make a move here. Give me 2. Relax, we can rubber rock here, maybe. Oh, perfect. That makes it easier. Give me 1. This is surprise coming up. Give me 1 more. 1 more. Okay, get ready for a big bump or a sudden stop. I don't know. Yeah, it's on the money. Let's see what happens here. Sometimes we get a spin, sometimes we don't. Oh yeah, I bounced around. Whoa, I don't want to go over there. Here's Prudential Rock. We didn't hit it. Yay! Okay, relax. Uh-oh, the guy's gonna get wet, baby. Oh, the guy did get wet. He was trying to give you the big card away.
So you're talking right here?
Okay. Yes, it's pointing out this way. You got that seam?
Yeah.
You're kind of aiming for that seam. You want to jump out through good 3 or 4 feet. Okay. That should easily clear you off of these rocks. Like where you see water curling over that point. Oh yeah! Nice entry. I think he's getting a good ride in there. Yeah! That's better than average. Oh yeah, baby. Oh team. We don't quite go where the current's going. That looks good.